Get paid $7 every single minute completely on autopilot by using this little-known online business strategy. This method works seamlessly to deposit your earnings straight into your PayPal account, Pioneer, or even directly into your local bank account. So if PayPal isn't available in your country, don't worry, you can still withdraw your earnings directly into your bank account with ease. Make sure to like this video and follow along as I take you through the steps to set up this passive income system. Let's dive into step 1. Head over to pixabay.com to find out what the latest comes out there on good quality production value. At times millions of photos and music. They have over 5 million high-quality images, videos and music. They have over 5 million high-quality assets available for free use. But don't worry, you're not going to sell these images directly. Instead, we're going to leverage these visuals to build an automated income stream that pays you passively. Once you're on Pixabay, click Join to create your free account. After creating your account, use the search bar to look up images of dogs. You'll find hundreds of adorable dog photos. These images are perfect for our purpose because people absolutely love dogs. Make sure to download pictures where a dog is either standing or sitting, and ideally choose images featuring just one dog per picture. For instance, if you like this particular dog photo, open it, click on the download button, select the highest resolution, and save it to your device. Repeat this process for at least 5-10 images of dogs, cats, birds, or other cute pets. Alternatively, you can use other platforms like Pexels or Unsplash to download additional pet images. These sites also offer high-quality, royalty-free content that you can use for free. Now here's the interesting part. The reason we're collecting pet images is to create customized products that feature these adorable pets. Let me show you an example. There are online shops selling custom pet phone cases, t-shirts, mugs, pillows, blankets, and portraits using simple pet photos. The best part? These shop owners don't spend hours designing or creating these items. Instead, they partner with platforms like Printify, which handles the entire printing and shipping process for them. Here's how it works. When a customer places an order, they upload a photo of their pet. The shop owner forwards that photo to Printify, and the platform takes care of everything, from printing the design onto the product to shipping it directly to the customer. And the best part? The shop owner doesn't need to invest any money up front. Printify charges its printing and shipping fees only after a product is sold, meaning there's zero risk for the seller. This business model is called print on demand and is incredibly lucrative. Some shops on platforms like Etsy are making over $3,000 per day selling customized pet products. For example, if you check out this Etsy shop, they've sold over 200,000 items so far, including custom phone cases, mugs, and pillows. Even if we assume an average price of just $10 per product, that's $2.8 million in revenue from just one shop. But here's the kicker. If Etsy isn't available in your country, no worries. You can use alternative platforms like Redbubble, Amazon, or eBay, which are accessible globally and support sellers from most countries, including India. This print-on-demand business model is one of the easiest ways to make consistent passive income in 2024 and beyond. It's especially great for seasonal opportunities like creating Christmas-themed products for the holiday season. But let's move on to step 2. Go to Printify. I've left the link in the description and pinned comment. Once you log in, you'll see a dashboard. Click on My Store and then choose Add a New Store. Printify allows you to connect with platforms like Etsy, Shopify, TikTok Shop, eBay, Walmart, and more. Once your store is connected, click on the Catalog tab and explore the wide variety of products available, from phone cases to mugs, t-shirts, pillows, and more. For example, if you decide to create a phone case, Printify will show you various mock-ups for Android and iOS phone cases. Start with a high-selling design. After selecting a phone case, you can upload the pet images you downloaded earlier. To make the designs even more appealing, use Printify's built-in editing tools. You can remove the background from your pet image with just a click and adjust its placement to make it fit perfectly. Add custom text, like the pet's name, to make the design more personal and attractive. Printify even offers an AI image generator that can create unique images based on a simple text prompt. For instance, if you type "a dog on a white background," The tool will generate a realistic dog photo you can use in your designs. Once your product design is ready, click Preview to see how it looks on the mockup. If you're satisfied, save the product to your Printify account and list it on your connected online store. And here's the beauty of this system. Whenever someone places an order, Printify will automatically fulfill it by printing the design and shipping it to the customer. You don't need to worry about inventory, logistics, or upfront costs. Set your product prices between $7 to $20, whatever works best for your market. With consistent effort, you can start earning $7 every minute in passive income. So take action today. Register on Printify using the link in the description. Start designing your products and launch your online store to kickstart your journey to financial freedom. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future money-making tips. Let me know in the comments which of these websites you're most excited to try, and if you've already had success with any of them, I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.